The glass production is one area where Realme does significant cost cuts, and due to this, we have seen the max number of scratch fails on Realme devices, unfortunately, as our regular viewers are well aware of. And it's the same story on Narzo devices as well, since it is also made by Realme. So let's find out in the scratch test if the scratch resistance is again the same bad case on the Realme Narzo 30 by rubbing its undisclosed tempered glass protection with some common items and a heavy duty blade. According to science and the Mohs scale of hardness, glass is harder than steel and is not supposed to get scratched by the blade. But as mentioned earlier, there are many devices which have failed the blade, therefore making the blade an important test tool. Though devices with higher quality glass protection like Corning have fared much better, never failing till date. The Narzo 30 continues the not so great tradition of Realme cost cuts with scratch marks all over the place. Starting the drop test from different angles and two heights. First pocket head drop, bottom facing down. Let's see if the camera unit suffers any damage from the third pocket height drop. The Narzo 30 manages to handle all 4 pocket drops, no damages, dents or chip-offs as yet. Next up, moving on to 1.5 meters high drops. Bottom side first drop. Some really bad news. Never seen before scenes of the black part of the display plastic literally chipping off and falling off. We have seen some nasty dents in the past, but this is the first time we are looking at chip-offs and a bad dent, signifying poor quality plastic. Next, second high drop, top side facing the marble. This time, the drop angle seems to have favored the Narzo 30. No nasty dents and chip off from the mid-frame and display plastic. Next, second last high drop, third high drop, triple camera unit and backside with some live video footage from the primary 48 megapixel camera sensor. Next, for the last high drop you have been waiting for. With live video capture from the 16 megapixel selfie camera, display side facing down. Quite a severe looking drop impact on the display, but the Realme Narzo 30, even though it does not have Corning glass protection, does pass the drop test, but fails in terms of the nasty dent and plastic chip off at the bottom. The Realme Narzo 30 isn't IP68 or 67 certified, so it shouldn't be submerged underwater under any circumstance. Make sure not to fall prey to dangerous and misleading videos which show otherwise, since it will cost you a ton of dough in repair charges. Also, there is no official IP53 water resistance like you see in some recent devices like the Poco X3, Redmi 10 series and the Mi 11 series. In the ongoing oleophobic test, we are checking for oleophobic coating on the undisclosed tempered glass protection, which counters dirt and smudges and feels smooth to the touch. Realme has always been notorious in this department, and it's the same situation on the Narzo 30 as well, as the water sticks to the glass instead of forming drops on devices which do have an oleophobic layer. Another not so good stuff is that the usual low distorted audio is taking a bit longer than the normal few seconds to recover. Even then, it barely just manages to make the next round of liquid abuse. The Redmi Note 8 and later the 9 had infamously suffered from serious damage during the light splashing itself because of the motherboard getting permanently damaged and a costly trip to the service station. Since liquid damage is not covered under normal warranty, you need to buy separate protection for that. The Narzo 30 doesn't have any such issues, though unfortunately the affected audio took about 32 minutes to recover, due to which it wasn't able to reach the next round. Next, moving on to fun stuff with value. The build quality bend test will give you a fair idea about the structural build quality that you have paid for. Narzo and Realme devices have generally done well in this area, and we are expecting the same here. The 9.4mm plastic design seems to have handled the first display side bend with no issues, such as cracks, breaks or kinks on the weak points of the midframe. Just a bit of harmless flex. Although there is some degree of bend or flex, it actually feels stronger when pressure was applied from the second backside bend. It's kind of a huge relief to see a device convincingly pass the bend test after a few failed and broken devices in recent times. The Narzo 30 has managed to keep up the previous great record of Realme with a strong plastic build and design. Just a bit of bend after effects, but that